This is a video explaining how to use the report mailer functionality. Previously, report mailers needed to be set up by the PPO support team, but we have now introduced this to be available to administrators. Report mailers allow a report or dashboard to be sent out automatically via email on a scheduled basis to specified recipients, thus saving you time and effort if you were to send these out manually. In order to access report mailers, you would go to Administration and then down to Report Mailers. You'll then click on Add to create a new item. The first field that needs to be completed is the description, and this should be a short summary of what the report mailer entails. I then can select whether I'd like to send out a dashboard or a report, and then which dashboard or report in particular. You'll notice that as soon as I selected that, the criteria selection updated, and this shows the same parameters as those you would use if pulling the report manually. You'll notice when selecting a different report or dashboard that these parameters automatically update accordingly. I then can select whether I would like to create a custom filter or alternatively use any one of these shared filters that are already in place. I can then sort by if needed, same as I would when pulling the reports manually. The email content, this is what the user will receive on their side. You will notice that the subject and attachment file name has already been pre-populated, but this can be edited if need be. I can then select whether I would like to send this in a PDF or datasheet format. You'll then complete the body of the email the user will receive. From there, you need to schedule when this report mailer will be sent out, either weekly or monthly. I would like my report mailer to be sent out on the first day of every month, therefore I am selecting the first. You'll then notice that this report mailer is enabled. If I wish to disable it, I would simply untick this. You'll then need to choose who your recipients are going to be, either by creating a custom filter or specifying a particular user group. Once I'm happy with all the information that has been populated here, I will then click on Submit. If I would like to view the recipients of this report mailer, I would click on Actions and View Recipients. I can then see who my recipients are and confirm that they are active employees and active users, but I can see I already have a problem because they do not have access to this report. In order to resolve that, I would simply need to adjust their user group access. I would then need to give them access to that specific report or dashboard. From there, if I go back to my report mailer and view my recipients again, I can there see they now have access to the report. To test our report mailer, you can select any one of your employees. I've asked Harry to please keep a lookout for this test report mailer, so I'm selecting Harry and then clicking Send Report Mailer. This is a good check to do before your report mailer runs as you have scheduled on the first day of every month. I hope this was a useful video in learning how to set up a report mailer.